Today we'll be taking a look at the bake element on this Whirlpool electric range. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, must first remove this terminal cover here. It is held on by 2 Phillips screws on the bottom. Once we take these out, you want to slide down on the plate, pull out, and set it to the side. Now that we have the terminal cover removed, we have clear access to the wiring for our bake element. Now, the main reason why you need to access this component is if it is not heating properly during bake. To test out the element, what you'll want to do is disconnect each one of the wires here. And these are locking pins, so you will have to press in the middle and pull out. And then right here on these 2 terminals for the element, you'll test for continuity. You'll want it to read anywhere from 10 to 50 ohms, but if it has an open circuit, it will need to be replaced. Another thing that you can do is you can put your meter on these 2 terminals and put it on bake and make sure you get 240 volts. Just make sure the metal doesn't touch anywhere so you do not short it out. If you do have 240 volts and you do not have continuity on your element, it will need to be replaced. Now let's go around to the front. Next, let's go ahead and open the door. And we'll remove the oven racks by sliding out and up. And go ahead and set those to the side. Next, you'll want to reach inside and remove these 2 Phillips screws that are holding the element in place. Once you have these out, you want to lift up, slide out, and set the element to the side. When installing your new bake element, we are going to do it with the holes at the top. Slide your terminals through the insulation and let it rest. Next, let's go ahead and get our screws in there. We'll put one on the screwdriver and get our first one in. This will help lift the bracket up. Let's put our second one in here. Then we'll slide back in our wire racks. Close the door, and now let's return to the back of the unit. Now that the bake element is properly installed and we have returned to the back, make sure your insulation is pushed in good so that it's not coming out too far. We will bring our terminals around and get them behind the wiring here and reinstall them one at a time. Try not to damage your terminals or bend them. Get this last one on here. Now we can reinstall the terminal cover. When reinstalling your terminal cover, we will want to put all of these stakes inside the slotted spots on the oven. So put these in with them facing up. What we'll do is smack on the bottom to lift them up in place. Reinstall our 2 screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.